much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH
Ashafo mema obibia akwaba ede eba Ghana wahala jumedi yi eso Ghana for ene de abaye bi ebu afuche se na kuma de Ghana for bi eye ne hi eye ne bufu eye ne tan denti a enoma bi koso ache se wono no wo hu ne se wo ye na ade ene wo de eche ne ba ne se na Ghana for de musom de ye asem ni tuapia ehoro no eye no ayakayaka de esenti wono so no watin kensen na watin kensen na chen ye bodam ni a anase ye wodwan ya na homa atie free edua so ne eno anu no wate praga wo kosa wakeka na de de ache ye Ghana for ene wo mu a wo mu etwa ebo no na ebusuafo mo maye bonwura ensem no emu Kumawood actress Vivian Lawrence day one more criticizing no efa ni sun a wodi betu social media efa Bishop Bernard Nyarko ni wo wu ye na no memenda twemu no eno nti wo mo te owo no na wo mo ye shop na ema wo mo eni nkitahudi no wo mo die esun ebe mo kaya enyomo mo ne be ma na ya na brante na ye na afe woni wo mo nche na ada no wo mo esun ada no wo mo arewo nti wo mo etam wo mo phone na se o mo fa camera si wo mo ni me ne wo mo kasa efutu nsem mo di tudwa na wo mo ntimi anso wo mo ni suo mu na wo mo eje mu ma ni nyina etigu ye na Ghana fo hu yo mu ka se wo mo eye nyatwom na wo mo ye sa de we nyina se wo mo pe sika na age no kurampom Emma ye Kumawood actor Shompo Krampo Babonte ye bebe criticize ye kan bi se we mu a wo mu esu wo mu esu edi tu be bi se de bi o mbenye ska no mo so kan hu se obi na ewuo na wo mu esu de age ehu ska wo mu so be hu o mu be di wo mu edie ebi ekeka de enimu nyina ede kan ho se de wo mu ye ne de emfa kwa mu eye hypocrisy nya atwomnyoma bi na wo mo se wudo obi na no nche se anem nipa na afiri mu a obefa camera de asi wani ma na abetwe fom asi wani ma so hi wi a wahem won nche na wasa atoa so like enane kwamu o dwen ho a enye logic sa ene ye bekam na abaye hwe se de ensem ne kone trolls a omoto de ba no na che se wo se wo no so wo ba abonten no abe backlash wo mo wakeka na adwen de ache wo mo wono so ache mu se wono so ho je se wakana no atu no eno nkire se ye ade na ekoso na ye ne dem na woni se Vivian ye obi nso so a enya ade se bia oye like known wo social media se bibia ni awabekasa we ni awabekasa na je se ade no ahye no aye ne ya aye like akokɔ ndedem ewura ne dom pem ewura ne ntini je se wankasa na wansha na de ebeka esu na wode ne nsem bi abatudwa ebusuafo moma yenkotie ensem no
ahobia bia nsenya me se radin fanikra esi mini platform be so I have no reason for MTM many platform be so and confirm screenshot chat be sending me among the audios be sending me 50 enter. I decided not to say anything about it because it will be opinion, but I think it's getting too far. Some kasa na sama kasa ye am fanchemu. Me pacho, me be some be a few questions. Wa ubetimi ayi mano no, e wo nyansa mu no. Awo mefa. But wa fu se woni bibia sensible to say bia, please don't waste your time. Me person me busa say me say is it because say ye adwuma baako and now say because say your platform baako so and now because of social media be abaning no has it gotten to that extent say obi dofu wo a obetimi afiri wo fia for wo phone abekire ni pakro how to mourn say the on su ni pakro na me person me hu ano Say me do for me feel say me soon my recording. Okay. Say me da for mo. Say me room want to form a kofa cameraman, a kofa sound man aba recording na ma ko edit it. Na me dey abeto me page and na say me phone so me WhatsApp set it so. I don't know, I don't know your big problem. I don't see yen now. Fiti anajo. I want to know. Has it gotten to that extent? Yeah, you school for now. I will be papa fini fie. I bet you said the yen bishop. And I will be guild member. I a young kola. I was what yen say and me say yes, sir. Oh really? Obiawu. Obiabesu. You don't like it. They were not supposed to cry. They were not supposed to even record it. Obi say, and yes, no, recording. Okay, fine. To you, Ufu say I made mistake. Ufu say I had the innocent yes, sir. Yeah, acting. But the last time I checked, me an actress. Men come again, I'm in today. It is my actor. It's fine. Wherever my brother is. Who does or no pedia. I am in or no in the but what would in China? I would that general. I just don't get it. Yeah, dear, na enyeno. What ignore na ye ding. One cabia na ye ding. So one mitcha what junior na ye ding. I know you another question. And I said, okay, me number Kranaka Sophie. I ding na. Oh, let me send car. Oh, yeah, BBC. Oh, recording any day. Oh, bra, fetch me. Maybe a double dear. I was touched and I feel say, Emma, you pay who say, I read what kind of me. Okay, and yes, she book all day. Cassam chat. And then I say, Nasa ye juma baby. Or Dobby ye juma baby. Respect be ye juma baby. Say, if I don't usually comment on platforms, I may maintain say, we're chill. Inti na yana baby anipa mienu miensa and amu kasa kwa minti mi meka because me ebi ade obi beti ase afare me nti ase sa because me koka bi oya ni akotwe nti me ebi kra. What is it? Ade na ya lusi na nyobi ya na. Inti say I am pase ya ye mistake in which I mean mistake bi amaye. Because the last time I was checking phone ya media I bought my own data, I used my own face, me caption. And a Miami page. Me found my blog a bit of Fancoto. So when we was social media page there, Vivian just be brain on Facebook and Yami. I don't remember the last time I called Facebook saying Bishop Newa. Me de koto wa. Ya fact was what these same people will say it. You be an Abeka Odasem. Say you enjoy of being and someone in here now, you enjoy the beer, we are always right. He or she was supposed to do this, he or she was supposed to say that. Sweetheart, or don't be a new because Mimi Huni said, Yen and I had the boss who sent for fear. You fear me a day by Jumani, and it's not going to work because Obi and you'll be built some man. Obi and you'll be by Yanini. You can't just wake up from your house and come and tell me how to mourn Bishop. Like, really? Obi mania be ready am it baby. No one to me am fan kwa this one no. Ya sa send them my blogger to say on this say come on wait. We have a long way to go. Obi a mistake. We should learn how to ignore it. Me kwa de me won't say a mistake. It's my choice, it's my phone, and it's my face, and it's my brand. I can do whatever I want to do with it. If you don't understand it, keep it to yourself. Don't come and tell me what to do, how to mourn my brother, how to mourn someone very dear to me. Nama, okay, me brought me when you answer and did that phone and say, me ba messy chamia. And also can you be problem ana? Ya jabu ne ho. Na fi when I account myself. We've lost a brother. We should concentrate on that. Ya you know say you be no be say game obi na no kasa o act game. Me ya shame no. Bishop be na no kasa o act game no. Me hwe ni din wo YouTube Psalms asem hu. So can't get me ko panic chowana because me nim adwuma wo tini here. No, but kasa wo wu a oko. Ye hu ni biem. My videos, me first video no. na me busa da bo say inti ya mpase wo mu hia bom say na me kasa but na nim ni to obi ante. My second video was a message na me kasa na esu ba no mami nsu because it said me and the phones ni so abaya obi phone na abaya obi cameraman dia a message na me nipa say ya pray ya fa ko baby ya say wa japade bi fa ma bishop ndi kan because said bi a me mewu na japade a me pray na dia na anko me ho me fa ko say yes ya de ko baby ya. Man, we just sometimes we need to think far before we talk, man. And I can't say my young you said behind pa. And ya sembia so say ya kabi. And ya sembia na was a topical platform so. And ya sembia na was a ya chichi nipa ya chichi nya ya ho. A big day. Some people are just a big day. Say be about out. Ebe kase yeah. I don't really care. To me, I mean kasama no. Okay. Bishop we want to be at no kasa for the first time. That's the one part. I don't care. Have you no home milk no? You can choose to drink the milk, what do you call it, hot or cold. That's your own cup of tea. What is it?
Ebusiafo we ene eye ensemwa wodi etu eja na chese eye shampoo eye advert ne nyoma wodi eba ye ne kuma wudi nkrofo bi ensemwa wo mu edi etu eja na chese aye abaya no eya pa se obi a ye no munyina ewosi ni twam na mu hu ne se ejuma ebia ye di ye se yesu na akwakoda social media na ye bia bloggers akwakofa because utie ne nsem na won wa ye edutu won man kasa page won man fa ma blogger bia sese ba won wa ne pe na won mo ekokofa ye na hu ye no anya wo de no anka wo ye ni nua se wo ne wo ewosi ni twa adwuma m de na wo se wo ye wa twa ben no waka che ni se oh mini aba ma de ye twa ye na anka wo se wo ye ni se ya anka ye my sa ankoso amma no 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 na ma che se abaya no ne bu afu a ye wa sore a kire na adwen abobo na adwen e de acho utie ne I don't care dos I don't care for the eja yo o mbu fu sa de a ene na ba bia ewu o mo keka o ma adwen bo mo titi bo mu na che se maybe o mo pempam se ani no mo wa no mo tare o mo ye ni nyina ebi enti we ene Vivian Joe na sema wodi etu eja na abusuya obi a wabase ane wo de asemu etu eja aka se Ghana fo enti na futu nsem bia obefa ubeti afa wo se wie ya asa ne so obi ani nyansa sem bia aka na ene na futu na wutu wutie na wutie ne sen asemi abaya yi kan ya fa bi no asemi ne ya adwen fa bi so me ne nya adwen ne sen kan ye no ebi wo ho a esisi so na so ni nyina wo kan sem bi emamani eje ho se nipa na wawuo no onu mom ene wo sen ya ne ye ndwene baby a nipa no wo kwa na sese ni nipa no won kan tiasefo ho ebiem enti ni ye ndwen how are betimi enya wo bi foforo betimi ahye na no betimi ayete se wo no na emom enye esu ankrofo esu ena ye be criticize anase we nanso ni nyina ebetu odwane Ghana for se wo se wo kan yo se wanko eya den ya wababonten wababa besu ene ye hu se enye ene ye ka cho se wo padun phone so tum o pa menjun phone so entum so hu ni se ye bone so hu ni se enye bone ye de ye hunu ena ye kana ebinum se abaya no ne kasa wode ebaya wa address no e che krampo se wo mu ade wo ye arrogant ahomaso bi e wo ne so some pride bi e wo ne so wo hu ne ho se wo like obu ne ho se wo ye obi chen wo bi sa ena Ghana fo binum ehunu ebinum so hu ne se eye ne nsem a wode tu dwa ye tie ni sesi ya no so no enya boni bia wa kire na adwen na de okan ye no so eye no kre na abusuya moma yinkotie adwen kire no ebi Bismarck appear edia wode eba ye osing it's not a mistake, you are right, don't mind them, let them say whatever they want, don't really listen to what they are saying. Gloria Nyarko and so edia de eba osing it's your own kumewood some it's your own Kumewu Shampoo who criticized you guys. So call him and talk to him. Don't talk to us that way. Or also so dear no. Yenya solace and so or de eba ya or say, my dear, this your attitude there is not good at all. You think your question I think your questions are insulting viewers' intelligence. If someone has been interviewed or talking and they break and they break into crying. It's very different from crying and forcing tears in your eyes and being recorded. So please just accept your fault. Yeah, Kofi and so Edward they by or say there is no wrong for you to cry or mourn Bernard, but you shouldn't have sat down in front of a camera, cry and post it, my dear. It's very wrong, Vivian. But maybe when she was talking, by all means, tears will flow. So all the same, we will have to support her. And also, so Edia what them by yeah, Felicity and so Edia was saying. My brothers and sisters say the truth and say the truth. She shouldn't have cried in front of the camera and after post it and film post it. It is not film acting or no so no or say minua ba we mama no kro ne dedi o ye no enye sini na wo twa e na waka se ane wo su ne the camera esi wo so enti no kro bi wo hono mama yenka freedom and so Edward the about say master stop that. Nobody wanna see you guys hypocrites crying, so please sweet bad and so Edward the about say madam, you are saying the crying was acting or raw emotion because it was filmed and you are known as an actress, which is which because it is rather confusing. Hey, or no susu busa say what's the and who yes in the trade ma wum pama de anase wum motive. Enti na say no sooner wusu ya na de beto abonten na video na de to abonten. Na yes in the channel na wucha. Na say emotional crying and kasa and a babonten and to wode to one because they say no why are confused one castle statement what they are banono abusian for way and some of Vivian Joe edit to ja efa critics so social media and number soon Kumawood actors and actress be a soon ya ye chicha womo edit to social media now one more edit to one pages so bloggers be a fire womo de cocan a home and some ye one no one was in the chamun so a judge womo wrongly no one also so ababontain ababe can the boss was some na kuma so some at the atregan of all saying and a woman no year or day at 2 a journal and yana kwan so no and I say and yana kwan so said the okay and okasa ye and I say na ebufo bi ewom eye obi and I say na entwa kwan eni kwan kramposenka wo bie na no ekasa efa ensemi hu wutimi de wadwentwe no etu eja too much GA so on subscribe ya yem na me aba no so say they upload the video bia won so wetimi nya notification e wo phone so ebiem so share for more busuafo e wo all the social media platform na follow you on Instagram at @tumagh_. na wadwentwe no so de tuja ye beken kan e de amam dasene ye besane share.